Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Kataifi rolls. Begin by gathering all ingredients and preheating the oven, then thaw Kataifi pastry gently and chop nuts finely for even texture. Melt butter and mix with sugar and spices to bind the filling. Keep tools ready like a pastry brush and baking tray to streamline assembly and baking. This approach saves time and helps create crisp, evenly browned Kataifi rolls with a balanced, sweet finish. Prepare the nut filling and lay out shredded Kataifi strands on a clean surface, separating them gently with your fingers. Brush an even layer of melted butter to coat strands for deep golden crispness when baked. Place a small line of filling near one edge and roll firmly, but gently, sealing the ends so nuts stay inside. Arrange rolls on a lined tray with space for airflow to brown evenly in the oven. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and pastry flakes with voice control, so you can focus on rolling and plating. I love how it saves time in the kitchen and keeps floors spotless between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your Kataifi rolls are assembled, bake until they reach a deep, appealing golden brown and the pastry is fully crisp. While baking, prepare a simple syrup and keep it warm so it soaks in nicely. When rolls come out hot, drizzle syrup evenly to lock in sweetness and create a glossy finish. Allow the rolls to cool slightly so syrup sets and the texture becomes wonderfully sticky yet crisp for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.